Are you still clinging to Windows 10 even as its end of life looms? You're not alone, but the time is coming when Microsoft will no longer provide support or security updates. Don't panic just yet, though. There are ways to extend the life of your current setup. Let's dive into how you can prepare for this transition and what your options are if you're not ready to make the leap to Windows 11. First, the bad news. Windows 10 will officially reach its end of life on October 14, 2025. This means that after this date, Microsoft will stop issuing security patches and tech support for the operating system. But here's where it gets interesting. There are still ways to keep your Windows 10 machine running smoothly for a while longer. If you're not quite ready to upgrade to Windows 11, Microsoft has introduced an Extended Security Updates ESU program. This program allows you to continue receiving critical security updates for an additional year until October 14, 2026. The ESU program is now available to individual users, not just businesses, and it comes with a price tag of $30. But there are other ways to secure your system without breaking the bank. One alternative is to use your Microsoft Rewards points. If you have at least 1,000 points in your Microsoft Rewards account, you can redeem them for a free year of ESU. Earning these points is relatively easy. For example, you can earn 500 points just by downloading the Bing smartphone app. This is a great way to extend your Windows 10 usage without spending cash. Another option is to back up your data using the new Windows Backup app. By backing up your data and settings to Microsoft's OneDrive servers, you can qualify for a free year of ESU. Even if you don't have enough OneDrive storage for all your files, backing up your settings and some data can still secure your system. Just remember that this means entrusting your data to Microsoft. Now, the elephant in the room, upgrading to Windows 11. While it might seem daunting at first, I can assure you that it's worth the switch. Once you get used to the new interface and learn some essential keyboard shortcuts, you'll find that Windows 11 offers a more comfortable and efficient experience. If you're ready to make the move, the first step is to check if your PC meets the Windows 11 system requirements. You can do this using Microsoft's PC Health Check app, which will tell you whether your system is eligible for the upgrade. If you qualify, back up your files using the Windows Backup app or a reliable cloud backup service. Then use the Windows Update app to upgrade to Windows 11. If your PC doesn't meet the requirements, it might be time to invest in a new machine. The latest Windows laptops are not only faster and more powerful, but also more portable and energy efficient than ever before. Upgrading your hardware can be a game changer, and it's worth considering if your current setup is holding you back. In conclusion, while the end of Windows 10 is approaching, you have several options to keep your system secure and functional. Whether you choose to extend your Windows 10 usage or make the leap to Windows 11, it's important to stay informed and prepared. What do you think? Will you stick with Windows 10 or make the switch to Windows 11? Share your thoughts in the comments below.